Internet, my name is Hexa, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on this year's Lush Easter collection. I'm super excited to open this box up. Lush has been coming out with some amazing things and I loved their Valentine's Day collection, so I cannot wait to dig into this. It has not been that long in my life that I have had my own money to be able to afford to buy myself things, and right now I feel like the first expense every single month is just to get the latest releases from Lush, and that might not be the smartest way to spend my money, but it definitely makes me happy. So let's open this puppy up. I have never said puppy in that context in my life. I don't know what's wrong with me. As you can see, the box is pretty hefty, which means there's lots of fun goodies inside. I'm gonna use a knife to open this, and I'm just gonna do that on the table because I don't want to show you guys my address by accident. This box was packed with care by Chris. Thank you, Chris. Dun, dun, dun. Inside we have another person whose name is Seth, who also contributed to bringing me this package, so thank you, Seth. Ooh! All right, so we always have these little biodegradable packing peanuts in Lush packages, and they are currently covered in golden glitter, and I have a very good idea of which product that golden glitter is coming from, so can't wait to open this and see what's inside. Oh my god. Oh, you guys have got to see this. So the first thing in here, our little messy devil who's making all the golden glitter, is the Golden Egg Oil Bath Bomb. Oh, this smells good. And familiar. Oh, I know what this smells like. It smells like It's Raining Men shower gel, which I believe was renamed Honey, I Washed the Kids in some countries. So yeah. That is that, and I love that scent, so I cannot wait to use this. And I've also never tried a oil bath bomb before. It's very, very pretty. It is covered in golden glitter, as you can see. It's making a little bit of a mess, but it's very nice. I'm having some audio problems here with my microphone. I don't know if it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Let's try this again, dear Mike. I just clap my hands and there's little gold flecks in the air everywhere. All right, so golden egg was our first thing inside the box. Up next is something that is not actually from the Easter collection, but this is their new Ultra Plant facial cleanser, I guess. I think that it's supposed to be good for removing makeup as well, and Lush Cosmetics in the US just posted a search for reviews, you know, hashtag Lushies wanted. I want to do anything to get in Lush's good graces, so I bought this product to review and try out, and I will hopefully be making an Instagram post about it. I'm talking way too fast and like I'm too excited and I can't, like, my words are just like bleh. I'm just gonna open up Ultra Plant and see what it smells like. It has like a waxy looking consistency, but once you touch it, it's like creamy and oily. Doesn't smell like much. It does really just smell, yeah, a little bit waxy and neutral. I guess it smells like the oils that are inside it. Dun dun dun. What else is buried in here? Oh, something with in a bottle. Oh, I forgot about this. Yeah, so this is the Ginger Shower Gel. This is actually from the Mother's Day collection, and I got this because my mom loves the smell of ginger, so I'm just gonna give this to her as an early Mother's Day gift. Mother's Day in Germany is actually in May, not March, so I'm gonna be getting the Mother's Day collection in May rather than right now. So my review on those things will probably be coming super late, but you know, better late than never. Ooh, this smells very spicy. I think she's gonna like it. And I heard a door opening and closing, and I think my mom's home and there's about to be a lot of noise, but we're gonna try to pull through. It wasn't my mom, it's the neighbors. Yay. I also love the way that this ginger shower gel looks. It's like shiny, it's glittery and beautiful. I love it. It actually looks very Christmassy to me. But yeah, it's mad pretty. Let's get some more of these packing peanuts out of the way. Something orange is here, and something with ears. Let's do something orange first. If I can grab onto it. Can I grab onto it? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't want to break it. Woo! All right. Ooh, I love the smell of this already. This is the, what is this called? Dum 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 dum. I gotta have a look at my list here. Ooh, yes. This is the Lucky Carrot Bubble Bar. It kind of just like reminds me of like a snowman nose. It also has a little bit of glitter embedded in it, and it has this like cute little green leaf on this side. It smells very fresh and citrusy, very like uplifting and refreshing. Love that. Very excited to try this out. And also, if you guys know or do not know, I have started making earrings out of polymer clay, and I made some carrot earrings inspired by this product, and I've also made an Easter egg earring inspired by another one of the products in this box. Our little something with ears is this bunny rabbit bath bomb, which is actually called the Magic Rabbit Bath Bomb. This smells delightful. I think this has tonka in it. I might be wrong. But it has something in it that's also in Sleepy or Twilight, which is one of my favorite scents. Ugh, I cannot wait to try this out. This smells so, so good. This is such a cute bath bomb. The ears are just paper, so I guess there isn't really much you can do with them after you've used it, but it's a nice touch, and it's definitely very cute. Looks like a little magician's hat. Up next, another something green. Oh my god. Ugh. This is the Avocado Easter soap. It is an avocado, and it opens up like so. I like that it's in two halves, because then you can, I guess, like, you know, like you can use half of it and then switch to a different soap and then have another half of it left over for another time, so you can have it around for longer. This also smells a little bit gingery. I don't know if it actually has ginger in it. I haven't really checked, but it has a little bit something spicy in it, as well as some citrusy stuff. It's currently covered in the golden glitter from the golden egg bath bomb, but it has like, it really does have like that avocado texture on the outside of it. It smells really, really good. Yeah, spicy and citrusy and very stimulating, and kind of just one of those scents that would really wake you up, I feel. And I love the fact that the pit is, I mean, the pit looks like you could probably pop it out of here. Oh, you can. It's wobbling pretty. Oh, okay. So it's not like a full sphere. The pit is just like a half of a sphere. But I think it smells just the same as the rest of it. This is really cute. I love this. Cool. Can't wait to pop this in. I'm almost finished with my eggplant or aubergine soap, so I'll be using this one afterwards. Let's get more packing peanuts out of here because I can't see anything. I'm gonna have to dig because I don't want anything to fall on the floor. Ooh, here we go. That's what I was looking for. This is the Sunny Side Up shower jelly. It looks like an egg, like a fried egg, which is a little bit gross. Whew. Oh my god, that smells super strong. I'm not, the texture of this is just, it's so weird. I've never used a shower jelly before. I've kind of been avoiding them because the texture kind of grosses me out. But they look like a fun product to play with. However, this one, I'm not too fond of the scent, actually. I thought from the description of it that I would like it, but it smells a little bit, it reminds me just a little bit of Snow Fairy, and I'm not a huge fan of Snow Fairy. It's a little bit too sweet and candy-like. It's not the Snow Fairy scent, but something about it, it's just like a little bit too saccharine for me. But still, this texture seems fun. It doesn't seem as gross as I'd envisioned it to be. I'm just playing around with it because it keeps shaking around. Okay, so this one, as far as like scent-wise, is a little bit of a miss for me, but that's okay. I mean, not everybody's gonna love every single scent in the Lush family. But I'm still gonna use it and try it, and who knows, maybe it'll smell better to me once it's actually in the shower. That happens sometimes. Something here is yellow. Oh yes, of course. Whew. Yeah, so over here we have the cream egg bubble roon, and this is the other product I was saying that I had made earrings for. I didn't make the earrings a bubble roon, but I did make it into an egg that has the same color scheme. It's also yellow with the blue and pink polka dots on it. This smells minty. Again, very refreshing, very nice. I feel like a lot of the scents from the Easter collection are very like stimulating, uplifting, refreshing, whether they're citrusy or spicy, and this particular one smells very minty to me. This is really nice. Not necessarily what I would use for like a relaxing bath, but I feel like after a workout or something, this would be super fun. Might also be really good for the summer as well, if you want to keep it that long. I'm gonna have fun with this. I like that. Now I really do need to get these out of the way because there's something in here and I can't find it. Okay, so at the bottom of my box, I have a little envelope. Oops. And inside my envelope, I have this adorable knot wrap that I got with little bunny rabbits on it. I don't know if you can tell, but it's this beautiful, rich royal blue, and it has pink outlines of bunny rabbits. So that is really cute. I mean, I love these, and these are made out of recycled plastic bottles. Some of these, I don't think all of the knot wraps are, but some of them are made out of recycled plastic bottles, and this is one of those. Love this color, love the vibes. It's very, very cute. Can't wait to play with this and just like put this in my hair or, I don't know, accessorize. You could tie it to like a bag. It's a really nice pop of color. And it came inside the envelope with this little thingy that shows you different ways in which you can tie your knot wrap and use it for packaging or for your hair, and just kind of to show you some purposes that you can use it for. So normally when I order from Lush, I ask for samples, and I did do that this time, but unfortunately it seems like they forgot, which is kind of sad, but it's okay because I have a lot of products here that I'm gonna love have a lot of fun with, so it's okay. I'm not really missing out on anything. I've just realized the bubble roon and the golden egg are pretty much almost exactly the same size. Oh my god. Okay, this definitely, I'm in love with this, the golden egg. I really love the It's Raining Men / Honey I Wash the Kids scent. So good. And I'm covered in gold on my fingers, so I'm just gonna give myself some little golden war paint. All right, thank you guys. Oh my god. Okay, I gotta get the I'm trying to get these packing peanuts out from under my feet because they're definitely causing some rustling, and I bet you can hear it from the microphone. So I mean, they'd be good for ASMR. I should do that, like Lush ASMR unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you want something like that. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. I'm so excited to dig in and play with my new Lush products. I can't wait to give my mom the ginger shower gel. I think she's really gonna love it. Maybe I can get her to do a little commentary in this video later on. Post-filming commentary. Probably not, but you know, I can try. As always, gotta say that Lush is one of my absolute top favorite brands. Their customer service is amazing. Their products are amazing. They're cruelty-free. They have good morals, good values, good ingredients, and yeah, I just love them to bits. If you like this video and you want to see more videos about Lush or skincare products in general, or makeup and mental health and all the other things that we talk about on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe or click the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload. Both.
Both? Both. Both. Both is good.
Both is good. Both. Do both. You can also follow me on Instagram for product shots and for makeup looks and all kinds of things. And if you would like to order the earrings that I was telling you about, they are in my story highlights on my main Instagram account, and you can just go ahead and DM me. I am currently selling matched or mismatched pairs of carrots and eggs for 15 euros a pair. So yeah, shoot me a DM if you want some super cute Easter themed earrings for spring, for the spring season. I love you guys so much. Thank you to everybody who comes here, watches my videos, and supports my channel. It means a lot to me, and every single view counts. If you could spare the time to leave a comment, that would be great. I would love to hear from you guys, and just, you know, let me know what's going on in your life, what your favorite Lush products are, anything you want to tell me, go ahead and leave it in the comments. I just want to hear from you guys. And as always, I think to any creator, comments mean a lot because it's just nice to know a little bit about the people behind the screen and to interact with you guys. I haven't filmed in a little while, so I'm a little flustered and weird. I'm sorry. I'm a little out of it, but this was nice. Getting back into filming was nice, and this unboxing brought me so much joy, and I'm just gonna go straight into the bathroom right now and play with something, or just probably just sit here and keep smelling these ingredients and hoarding them and put them in my little Lush shelf that I have in my room, because my room smells like Lush products all the time because I love them and I can see them on my shelf from my bed when I am sleeping, and I have Lush-filled dreams, and it's lovely. Technically now my room smells like salted caramel and vanilla because I got a one of those Reed scent diffuser things from the Body Shop, which is also amazing. Highly recommend. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Really quickly before I go, I think I forgot to mention that there is one product, I think it's just one product from the Easter collection that I didn't get, which is the dinosaur bath bomb. It's like a big egg, and it has a little itty bitty dinosaur inside it. I don't know, it's just seemed a little bit too huge and too expensive, and I don't think that I would have used it, but yeah, just wanted to put that out there and say that this isn't the full collection. There's one more product that is missing from here. I think that is it. I think there's nothing else that's missing. Anyways, bye! Oh, and also I had wanted to mention that probably the reason why they didn't put any samples into this box is I don't think that anything else would have fit in this box, because I got many things. Yes, 9 things. 9. Hey, Mocha. You know, Mocha. I don't think she's a fan. Mocha. What's wrong? You look so pretty.